Hello there. This is a gift from a good friend, Wayne Bean. This was a gift from a good friend, Wayne Bean. I have a difficult time with my thumbnails sometimes. These days they stay short and um they're weak, and so sometimes I have a little difficulty. But I thought that I would save this. This came in earlier today, but I had a boatload of stuff that I had to do, and I didn't want to rush through this. And we will put that away. But let's open her up and see. This is a soft case, a soft sheath. He's got it. Okay, he's got it wrapped around the knife, so we'll have to do that. Did he leave me a note? No, sometimes he does. But this is I believe he said it was a case, but I might be wrong. But it's a soft sheath. Well, ain't no good if it ain't sharp. And obviously you can see that it is. But I love that. It's like a suede leather type of deal. Beautiful case. Beautiful sheath. Of course, you know if there's a sheath here, and I just mentioned there's a knife. I love it. Take the therapy up a notch. Blessings, Wayne. Dude, I'm doing the best I can. I cannot stand the limitations that breaking my hand have caused. Not least of which is an ability to do the sharpening videos and things like that that I normally do. So, but this, listen, look at that. Classic cinnamon bone stag carbon steel blades. He's got my number. Rough Ryder, beautiful. I know this is going to be a beautiful knife. I just want to make sure I'm opening it correctly because Rough Ryder does some, yeah, see, some stuff. Look at that. That's flipping gorgeous. And it's big, so I can get a hold of the sucker. Oh, yeah. Look at that. And as always, you can say what you want. But look, I have this blade open. I have it open at halfway. I forget what it's called. But look at the back strap on that knife. Now that's all the way. Look at the back strap on that knife. I don't see any gaps on that anywhere else. People talk about that Rough Ryder's an inferior knife and all of that. The workmanship on this knife is just as good as any case knife that I've ever held in my hands. Period. Fantastic, beautiful blade. I like these big old blades like this because they're easy for my old hands to grab hold of. Once again, really weak, thin fingernails, but the pull on this blade is not very bad at all. Sorry, I had to edit this video. We had someone call. I had a phone call I had to take. But I mean, look at that. Look at the blade. The way they're centered in it. Sorry, but I can't find anything wrong with one of these knives. The more of them I get, the more I love them. So, and this will go in this sheath. And it'll go on my hip when I carry it. And I'll tell you something right now. The smell of this leather. I love the smell of leather too. And I love the way the case is almost distressed looking. Just a beautiful, that's a beautiful gift. It's absolutely gorgeous. Come on. That's the bad hand. It doesn't like pulling stuff out of things. But anyway. But yes, I am redoubling my efforts on the hand. We will do everything we can. There will be a sharpening video on this knife. And possibly I will do a sharpening video for each blade. I have not decided yet. But that's absolutely slamming gorgeous. Thank you, Wayne. Stay tuned for the sharpening videos. Thanks for watching. I'll talk to you later.